Turn AI into dollars by using AI tools. AI are absolute game changers for content creation, marketing, and business growth. Whether you want to create stunning AI-generated videos, boost your brand, or start selling digital content, the possibilities are endless. Welcome back to our channel, Next Gen AI Auto. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to transform a simple image into a high-quality, eye-catching video using the power of AI. And the best part? You can use this skill to make money online, attract clients, and build your brand instantly. Just have a look into. This will go in detail through tools we use next. Firstly, type Canva in the web browser and click on the provided link to open the website. After accessing the Canva homepage, explore the dashboard and select a template that best suits your design needs. Then, I'll guide you through adding text, images, and elements to make your design stand out. We'll also adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to give it a polished, professional look. And the best part? You don't need any design experience. Canva makes it super simple to drag, drop, and customize your creations effortlessly. First, we designed a vibrant Instagram post in Canva, perfect for holiday celebrations. We customized the template, added festive colors, text, and elements to make it visually appealing. Now here's something even more exciting. I use the text-to-image option in Canva, which allows you to generate images directly from text, and it's super easy. Here I am typing a text prompt like, create a post on holy celebrations, and clicking on Generate Image. After just a few seconds, Canva's AI creates multiple images based on the given text. Here are the generated images. Now you can click on any image that best fits your design and instantly use it in your post. Let's explore different images that Canva provided. Take a look at this. You can adjust the image by using Canva's built-in tools, but I personally like this simple way for a Holly post. However, if you want to make it even more dynamic, you can use animations and effects that are available right above the editor and download each image individually from the share button and click on download. Here I am working with all 4 images to give you better clarity on how the Canva tool works. I started by selecting a template that fits our design needs. But what makes Canva even more exciting is its text-to-image feature. This allows us to generate unique visuals just by typing a simple prompt. No design skills required. Look at how these images turned out. Each one has a different feel. Some are vibrant and festive, while others have a more elegant touch. That's the power of Canva's AI. If you want to take it a step further, you can also add animations, effects, and text overlays to enhance the post even more. But for this demonstration, I'm keeping it simple and showing you just how effortless it is to create stunning visuals in seconds. It is an easy tool that can use easily, interfaces beginner-friendly, and requires no prior design experience. Simply enter a prompt, and Canva's AI creates stunning visuals for you. Choose from a variety of templates, colors, and elements. You can edit text, colors, and elements to match your theme. Once done, you can download your design in different formats: PNG, JPG, PDF, etc. Once everything looks perfect, I'll show you how to download your design in high-quality resolution, ready to be posted on Instagram. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have a professional-looking Instagram post without any design experience. Now it's time for the magic touch. After completing our beautiful holy-themed design in Canva, we're going to bring it to life using Runway ML AI, an amazing tool that transforms static images into dynamic videos. Now let's head over to Runway ML AI. Open your browser and type Runway ML in the search bar. Click on the official link to access the website. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore the features available. Next, click on Try Runway Now to begin. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can start a new session by clicking on Start New Session. Now navigate to the Image to Video feature. This tool allows you to transform static images into dynamic videos. Click on Upload and select the image we created in Canva. Once uploaded, you can explore different animation and motion effects to bring your design to life. Once uploaded, Runway ML AI provides several animation styles to choose from. In this step, you have the flexibility to add 1 or more images based on the type of video you want to create. Here I am uploading 3 images at once. and adjusting them by cropping to ensure they are displayed correctly in the video. If you want to guide the AI in generating a specific video style, you can enter a text prompt in the designated space below. This helps in defining the motion, effects, and overall theme of the video. I am adding a prompt after the images all are uploaded successfully. This approach allows for a more manual and controlled design, ensuring that each image is positioned exactly as needed before the final video is generated. When satisfied, click on Generate and let Runway ML's AI work its magic. It takes a few moments to process, and once ready, once uploaded, Runway ML AI provides several animation styles to choose from. For a vibrant Holly celebration vibe, we can select effects that add smooth camera motion, colorful bursts, and festive transitions. Explore different motions and select one of them here. I am using a cinematic zoom that best suits the Holy Festival mood. Your AI-generated video is now ready to post. You can further edit it in Instagram's built-in editor by adding festive Holly music or trending sounds, and that's it. In just a few easy steps, we transformed a simple image into a vibrant, high-quality video that perfectly captures the spirit of Holy. Bonus tips for engagement. Now that you've mastered Canva and Runway ML AI, here are some exciting ways to use this skill for marketing, brand promotions, and even making money. Create videos for businesses and brands. Businesses need eye-catching social media content, and AI-generated videos are a fast and easy way to grab attention. Offer services to small businesses, content creators, or influencers who need branded Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or YouTube Shorts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support more AI content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more AI tools. Subscribe for more AI automation hacks and cutting-edge content creation tips. Want to explore more AI-powered tools? Stay tuned for the next video where we dive deeper into AI automation and creative workflows.